AdBuster 2.0 Pro Transparent Model Preview. End System Integrity Demonstration. 1. What the first screenshot represents. The first image shows a diagnostic loading view. It comes from a small internal tool created by the developer to verify that the application can correctly open and read its model file. This preview confirms that the file exists, loads properly, and is recognized by the system.It demonstrates that AdBuster Pro is built on real components, not placeholders. 2. What the second screenshot represents. The second image shows a structural preview of the model itself. It displays part of the internal functions and attributes that belong to the machine learning object used by the application. This confirms that the model is real, active, and contains the logic needed for audio analysis and classification. 3. Why these screenshots matter. Together, the two previews serve one purpose: to show users that AdBuster 2.0 Pro is powered by a legitimate, sophisticated engine. They demonstrate that the system uses a real model file. The model contains complex internal logic. Everything runs locally on the device. The technology behind the app is authentic and professionally designed. No user data is involved, and nothing in the screenshots comes from the user's system. They are simply visual proof that the application is built on real analytical foundations. AdBuster Pro, Deep Model Preview, and Enhanced Engine Transparency. 1. Diagnostic Tool View Loading the Deep Model. This screenshot shows a partial diagnostic view used during development to verify that the file model_deep.pkl loads correctly inside AdBuster Pro. The tool performs a simple, read-only check that confirms the file is present in the application directory. It can be opened without errors. The internal structure of the model is accessible. The system recognizes the object stored inside the file. This diagnostic view is not part of the main application interface. It is a controlled inspection tool created to demonstrate that AdBuster Pro uses a real, structured model file rather than a placeholder or simulated logic. It users with a visual confirmation that the system is built on genuine analytical components. Deep Model Structure Preview Interna. Components of model_deep.pk. This screenshot presents a partial structural preview of the enhanced model stored in model_deep.pkl. It shows how the model appears when opened through the diagnostic tool. The preview displays the type of the object contained in the file, a readable portion of its internal structure, a list of available functions and attributes belonging to the model. The content shown comes exclusively from the model file itself. It does not include any user data, system information, or personal content. The preview demonstrates that the deep model is a real, functional component used by AdBuster Pro to support advanced audio behavior detection and classification. 3. About the Deep Model Module, Pro-only feature. The file model_deep.pkl represents an upgraded, more powerful engine designed for users who want enhanced performance and more precise audio behavior recognition. This module is part of the Pro feature set and becomes available only after unlocking the application with a valid activation key. Key points for users. It is a stronger, more capable module compared to the standard model. It operates entirely locally on the device, without sending data anywhere. It contains no recordings, no user audio, and no personal information. It is unlocked only after entering a Pro license key, ensuring controlled access. The internal mechanisms of the deep model are not disclosed, but the preview confirms that it is a real, structured component, not a placeholder or artificial feature. Summary. The two screenshots together provide a transparent look into how AdBuster PRO handles its internal deep model. The first screenshot confirms that the file loads correctly through a dedicated diagnostic tool. The second screenshot shows that the model contains a real internal structure with functional components used by the application. These previews demonstrate that AdBuster PRO uses authentic analytical models. The Deep module is a more advanced engine available after activation. The system operates locally on the user's device. The technology behind the app is genuine and professionally designed. No user data is involved in the model inspection process. This transparency helps users see that AdBuster PRO is powered by a real, intelligent engine, not a superficial or simulated mechanism, and that the Pro version includes an enhanced model for users who unlock the full capabilities of the application. AdBuster Team /Dublin, Ireland /2026